Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Monzo Flex, BNPL, review my usage experience. Monzo Flex, BNPL, review my usage experience offers a buy now, pay later, BNPL, service integrated directly into the Monzo banking app. It's aimed at individuals who want a flexible way to spread the cost of purchases. Key features include setting repayment schedules and managing payments directly within the Monzo app. Their website provides details on eligibility and specific terms. Monzo positions Flex as a convenient and transparent BNPL option. They highlight the ease of use within their existing app, emphasizing no hidden fees and clear repayment plans. The service leverages Monzo's existing infrastructure, making the integration seamless for existing users. Availability is limited to Monzo customers in the UK. You can check your eligibility within the Monzo app. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Monzo Flex. Getting started was incredibly easy. It was already integrated into my existing Monzo app, so I just had to find the Flex tab and opt in. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly. I recently used it to spread the cost of a new laptop over 3 months. Setting up the payment plan was straightforward, and I received clear notifications about upcoming payments. The entire process felt seamless and integrated well with the rest of my Monzo banking experience. I was really impressed by how quickly I received approval for the purchase and how easy it was to manage my repayments. I had a quick question about amending a payment date, and their support team responded within 24 hours via in-app chat. One minor drawback was that, while the interface was good, the app's notification system for repayments could be a little more prominent. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Monzo Flex. It's a convenient and transparent way to manage larger purchases without the hassle of separate BNPL apps. That's my overview of Monzo Flex, BNPL, review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.